Alrighty, YouTubers, I am back again. It is Wednesday, hump day. We made it. 21st. This month is flying. Today we have a Amazon unboxing. Oh boy. Can't wait to get inside this one. You guys can get one at a low cost. Click on the link below. This is from Korginer, I do believe. And all the links will be down below. Check them out. Here we go. Adjust you guys a little bit. That new tripod I just got a couple days ago. Pretty sweet thing we have. Here we go. This. And I got a email. I'm gonna have to add this into the video. Here we go. Future is here. That's it for that. Put you guys down. Drop you guys down a little bit. There we go. And this is going to be, let me double check the email. Hold on one sec. Here we go. It is Korginer 180 degrees Seaview Snorkel Panoramic Sapphire Blue Diving Mask, Snorkel Mask, Leak System, Anti-Fog, Panoramic View for adults and kids. And it's also new model design, new features, 2 floating balls to prevent leaks. You enter the water, the 2 balls rise up to block air passage, preventing water from entering the mask. Here's a little demo. And there's all the other good stuff. 2. That. 3. And also you can hook up with your GoPro, your mini cams up to it also. So while you're looking for some sharks, here we go. Yeah, see, touch camera, snorkeling. Oh boy. So here we go. Full face snorkel mask, Korginer. Burned my knuckle on a grill. Ouch. That is not a good day. Okay, here we go. Let's take a look at this thing. Definitely excited. Really good people. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime fast shipping. And also look at their website, Plush Deal. That link is to be down below also. To save some money. There we go. Oh boy. Oh, here we go. You can hear the 2 balls bouncing around. You gotta put this together. Oh, that looks sweet. It's like G.I. Joe, futuristic. Really nice. I might have to take it out for test run this summer. It's actually really nice made. Nice color. Bada boom. And we got the something there. This is for the mask where it won't get foggy. Anti-fog. Cool stuff so far. I'm telling you, check them out. They have other good stuff also. Go. About 2 seconds. Okay, this is for the cam, the mounts, I do believe. I'll get it going. One minute. Come on. There we go. Get it out of the plastic. There's a mount. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Pretty trippy right there. And I do believe hook this up somewhere. Let's see what the instructions say. They got different colors also. Female, men's, women's, kids. So here we go. Pieces float. Wow, that's pretty cool. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. Links are going to be down below. Show this again. There you go. Medical grade silica gel. Really nice. Odor free. Here you go. And I'll show you there. There we go. Alright, YouTubers, you guys have a good night. I will see you guys back tomorrow for Thursday. Actually, Wednesday, I'm sorry. Oh boy. But yes, definitely check them out, YouTubers. And you guys have a good night, and see ya.